Did a guy knock on your door, say he was working in the area, take a deposit for a roof or driveway job, and then never come back? You are not without options. Homeowners come to us all the time after a door-to-door repair crew grabbed cash and disappeared, and they are surprised how much can be traced. At People Locator Skip Tracing, our investigation team uses lawful public records, vehicle and address history, business filings, and open-source research to help identify the person and the crew behind that quick cash pitch so you can pursue a refund and protect your neighbors. We work only for lawful, permissible purposes, and we tell you straight what is realistic. Report the operation to your state attorney general and local consumer protection authorities as well, because these crews work a whole street before moving on. If a door-to-door home repair scammer took your deposit, do not write it off. Visit peoplelocatorskiptracing.com to start your search and subscribe to the channel for more ways to find the people who go door-to-door taking advantage of homeowners.